Today, we will see the step-by-step approach to answer the true, false, not given, and yes, no, not given question types. And in the end, we'll do some practice questions as well. To add to this, I'll share a tip that has worked for me in this type of question. So stay tuned till the end. Here's a quick overview of the different types of questions that can be asked in the reading module.
On the academic and general test, the type of questions are the same, but the type of reading passages are different.
From my experience, matching heading and true, false, not given or yes, no, not given are the most challenging and confusing question types for students. It's really important to know the difference between true, false, not given and yes, no, not given question types. True, false, not given tests you on the facts or information in the passage, whereas yes, no, not given tests you on the author's views or claims. They are not the same. Often students find it difficult to differentiate between false and not given statement. If the statement is the opposite of what is given in the passage, then it is false. If the statement is missing information or is incomplete, then the answer is not given. You do not need to have any knowledge of a particular topic or assume something. Answer only as per the given passage. The strategical way to answering this type of question is, first step is to read the instructions carefully. Is a question asking you for true, false, not given, or yes, no, not given? And write the answer accordingly. If you write the answer as true or false, and the question is asking for yes or no, you will be marked wrong. Next step is to read the statements to get an idea of the topics and mark keywords that stand out and extreme words which are some, most, never, few. After which, go straight to the text and skim over the entire text. I repeat, just skim and mark out striking words like headings, heading numbers, so you would know what a particular section of the passage is talking about without reading word to word the next time you are there in that section. Following this, what you do is go to the first statement, look for the particular keywords of that section, then scan the passage for that keyword. Locate the section. Most of the time, the words will not be exactly the same. They will just be similar to the statement. It'll be paraphrased, which means they are testing your vocabulary and grammar. Know where the keyword is located in the passage. Also, watch out for extreme words. I repeat again, as I told you earlier, extreme words are sometimes, always, mostly, etc. If the words are exactly the same word to word in the passage and statement, they generally could be false. Once the section is found that matches the statement, if the statement agrees the passage, the answer is true. If the statement is the opposite to what is in the passage, the answer is false. If the statement is missing something or is incomplete than what is given in the text, then the answer is not given. The easy tip I'd like to share with you is remember the 3 C's when you answer these type of questions. If it's a confirmed, then it's true or yes. If it's a contradiction, then it's false or no. If it's confusing, then it's not given. You must work quickly between the statement and text, as time is very crucial in the reading section of the IELTS exam. The not given statement is what students spend most of their time on as they keep searching and searching for something that's not there. Now, let's go and practice some short statement questions.
Here is our first question. You can pause the video and try to answer these statements as true, false, not given. First, let's skim through the statement and text for keywords. The question says, many mechanics find their jobs very rewarding. The keywords are many, mechanics, jobs, rewarding. The first statement says, many mechanics get good salary. Here the keywords are many, mechanics, good salary. The right answer is not given since the statement is ambiguous. Rewarding means something satisfying. The statement doesn't talk about salary being paid to mechanics, so the answer is not given. The next statement reads, all mechanics get positive reward from their work. The keywords are all mechanics and positive reward. The right answer is false, since the original text uses the word many mechanics, but the question says all mechanics. So it is a contradiction and the answer is false. That was pretty straightforward, I feel. Let's read the third statement. A majority of mechanics have jobs satisfaction. Here, the keywords are majority of mechanics and job satisfaction. The right answer is not given as the text does not refer to majority of mechanics. Hope you all were able to answer this question right. We'll do one more question with 3 sets of statements. Here's the question. You can pause the video and try to answer it on your own and then come back later. The question says, there has been a remarkable increase in the sale of cars as the banks and financial institutions have started giving soft loans to the middle classes. The key words here are increase, cars, middle classes. The first statement says, many people have started buying cars for convenience and comfort. The right answer is not given, since the statement is talking about convenience and comfort, and the answer has no mention of it at all. So the answer is not given. The next statement is, cars are no longer an exclusive domain of the rich. The right answer is true, since the original text does not talk about the domain of the rich, but states clearly that the middle class have started buying cars, taking soft loans, so the answer is true. The third statement reads, salaried people are buying cars, raising loans from banks and financial institutions. The right answer is not given as the statement does not establish the link between middle class and salaried class.
These are just few sample statements. When you practice on your own, doing a mock test, use full practice real exams, as it's the same difficulty level as in the real exam. And as promised in the beginning, I'd be sharing a tip with you, and the tip that has helped me is to save time for the true, false, not given, and yes, no, not given, is that the question or statement order follows the same order as information in the text. So it's less time of going back and forth through the passage, and only enough practice can make us more prepared and confident before the test. That's all from me for today. Good luck on your exam preparation, and thanks for joining me here. Hope this lesson has helped some of you. Thank you for your time.